Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video I will be showing you how you can align objects in LibreCAD. So first thing first, I will draw one circle and one rectangular that I will show you how we can move it. So if I select this one, this circle, now I can move it wherever I want, as you can see, on the edges of this rectangular. So what I can do is if I snap intersection right here and move it, now I can move it into the middle of this rectangular, like so. But we have one option more how to do that. So if I select this circle and go here to these options here, sorry, to modify and then move and copy. So I will select this one and now I can place it wherever I want. So I will put it right here in the edge. Now in these options here I can keep original so that this circle right here will stay where it is and I will just get the copy of it. So as you can see, now it's right here, the copy of this original one. But I can also do that I move this circle right here and delete original, and now I have just these two circles right here. So this is how you can align objects in LibreCAD. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.